ClearClick Present+Share review. The wireless hack that kills cables and awkward tech fails. Ever been stuck fumbling with tangled HDMI cords, dead adapters, or that "why won't it connect" nightmare right when the room is staring at you? Yeah, that sinking, sweaty palms moment destroys focus fast. Wasted minutes, lost flow, and constant tech drama make you feel trapped, blocked, and low-key humiliated. And the worst part? It keeps happening when stakes are high. Deadlines keep closing in. The stress builds as every glitch, lag, and wasted second crushes your vibe. You've got projects piling up, burnout creeping in, and opportunities slipping through your fingers just because your tools betray you when you need them most. Missed pitches, lost credibility, silent judgment in the room. It feels unfair, but painfully familiar. That's why the ClearClick Present+Share USB-C edition exists, to break the cycle instantly. This is not another overhyped gadget. It's the breakthrough your sanity was begging for. Plug in the HDMI receiver, pop the USB-C transmitter into your laptop or phone, hit the button, and boom, you're wirelessly streaming in full 1080p, 60 with zero lag. Need 4K clarity? It's there. Switching devices? Tap, done. I once walked into a packed boardroom with just 5 minutes to set up. No Wi-Fi, no drivers, no apps. I plugged in the receiver, hit the button, and my slides were glowing on the projector before the coffee even brewed. People literally said, "Wait, that's it." It turned an almost disaster into a mic drop moment. ClearClick equals your instant calm. The magic isn't just the plug-and-play ease, it's the ripple effect. Suddenly workflows feel smooth, your focus sharpens, and you look like the pro who never breaks a sweat. Experts rave. Most reliable wireless HDMI system we've tested, AV Tech Analyst. Educators call it a game changer for classrooms. Influencers use it live on stage. Corporate leaders say it finally ended the cable chaos. And everyday users? They swear by it. Wedding planners, trainers, sales execs, you name it. Features like AES 128 encrypted transmission, dual USB-C transmitters, long 49-foot range, and ultra-low latency aren't just specs. They're the reason people call this system better than ClickShare at a fraction of the price. What if you could walk into any room and know you'll never waste a second fumbling again? That's why everyone's buzzing about ClearClick. Want to feel that relief? Hit play. Stock is moving fast. Don't be the one still wrestling with outdated dongles while thousands already leveled up. Secure yours today and crush your next presentation like it's second nature. Remember, the best opportunities don't wait. Neither should you. Limited supply, trusted by pros, backed by a 2-year warranty, and proven by rave reviews. Click now, claim your ClearClick Present+Share, and join the growing wave of winners. This is your shot. Don't miss it.